Solved problems. Single entry information converted into double entry final accounts. The following is a summary of Mr. Adebayo's bank account for the year ended 31st December 2017. Bank. On the receipt side, opening balance 405. Receipt from debtors 37,936. On the credit side, payment to creditors 27,487. Payment to rent 1,650. Payment for rates 890. Payment to sundry expenses 375. Payment for drawings 6,541. Balance carried down 1,398. All the business taking cash receipts have been paid into bank with the exception of 9,630. Out of this, Mr. Adebayo has paid wages 5,472, drawings 1,164 and purchase of goods 2,994. Total 9,630. He utilized the cash with him. The following additional information is available as on 31st December 2016, as on 31st December 2017. Stock 13,862, 15,144. Creditors 5,624, 7,389. Debtors 9,031, 8,624. Rate prepaid 210, 225. Rent owing 150 and nil as on December 2017. Fixtures 2,500 and fixtures as on 31st December 2017 is 2,250. Required drawing up a set of final accounts for the year ended 31st December 2017. Show all your working. The problem is an example for preparing the final accounts from the incomplete records or from the records maintained under single entry system. For preparing the final accounts from the given details, we need to prepare the ledger accounts following double entry principles, and after balancing the ledger accounts, we need to prepare the trial balance, and therefrom the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet can be prepared. First, let us prepare the balance sheet as on 31st December 2016 to find out Mr. Adebayo's capital account as under opening balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2016. On the asset side, bank 405, stock 13,862, debtors 9,031, rates prepaid 210, fixtures 2,500, total assets 26,008. And on the liability side, creditors 5,624, rent owing 150, and the balancing figure 20,234 represents Mr. Adebayo's capital. Now we need to prepare the following ledger accounts under double entry system from the records and information available. Cash, bank, debtors, creditors, rates prepaid, fixtures, accumulated depreciation on fixtures, Mr. Adebayo's capital, Adebayo's drawings, purchases, sales, wages, rent expenses, rates, sundry expenses, depreciation, rent owing. Cash account. On the debit side, sales 9,630, cash paid for drawings 1,164, for wages 5,472, for goods 2,994. Total 9,630 has been expended like this, and there is no cash balance at the end of the year. Bank account. Opening balance 405, receipts from sundry debtors 37,936, payment to creditors 27,487, payment for rent 1,650, payment for rates 890, payment for sundry expenses 375, payment for drawings 6,541, and balance carried down is 1,398. Purchases account. Creditors, credit purchases 29,252, cash purchases 2,994, total purchases 32,246. Debtors account. Opening balance 9,031, bank, payment to debtors 37,936, and the closing balance is 8,624, and the balancing figure is sales 37,529. Creditors account. Opening balance 5,624 and payment made 27,487, and the closing balance is 7,389, and the balancing figure 29,252 is purchases, credit purchases. Fixtures, opening balance 2500 and it remains as it is 2500 by the end of the year also, because we need to maintain the fixed assets at cost in the books. Rates prepaid, opening balance 210, closing balance 225. 15 is the expired rates during the year. Depreciation, accumulated depreciation debtor 250, opening balance minus closing balance of fixtures 2500 minus 2250, 250 is the depreciation for the year. Accumulated depreciation, by depreciation 250, closing balance 250. Sales account, debtors, credit sales 37,529, cash sales 9,630, total sales 47,159. Mr. Adebayo's capital 20,234 has already been worked out while preparing the opening balance sheet in the beginning. Mr. Adebayo drawings, bank 6,541 through cash 1,164, total drawing 7,705. Wages, cash 5,472. Rent expenses, rent owing 150, rent paid 1,650, to closing balance 1,500. Closing balance 875. Rates paid 890. Prepaid, expired prepaid is 15. Rent owing 150, rent 150. So there is no rent owing by the end of the year. Free expenses 375. Closing balance 375. Trial balance as on 31st December 2017. Bank debtor 1,398. Opening stock 13,862. Debtors 8,624. Rates paid 225. Fixtures 2,500. Mr. Adilov's drawings 7,705. Purchases 32,246. Wages 5,472. Rent expenses 1,500. Rates 875. Sundry expenses 375. Depreciation 250. On the credit side, accumulated depreciation 250. Creditors 7,389. Mr. Adebayo's capital 20,234. Sales 47,159. Total debtors 75,032. Total credits 75,032. Trading and profit and loss account as on 31st December 2017. On the debit side, opening stock 13,862, purchases 32,246, wages 5,472. On the credit side, sales 47,159, closing stock 15,144. On the gross profit 10,723. The other administrative expenses, rent expenses 1,500, rates 875, sundry expenses 375, depreciation 250, gross profit 7,723. Balance sheet as on 30th December 2017. Creditors 7,389. Mr. Adebayo's capital 20,234. Add profit 7,723. Less drawing 7,705. Adebayo's closing capital 20,252. On the asset side, bank 1,398. Stock 15,144. Debtors 8,624. Rates paid 225. Fixtures 2,500. Less accumulated depreciation 250. 2,250. Fixtures 2,500. Less accumulated depreciation 250. Closing balance of fixtures 2,250. Total assets 27,641. Total liabilities 27,641.